Another car meet with the West London Classic Ford crew. Let's go. Cosworth YB, piece of junk, Pinto lump, Pinto turbo, dream recovery truck or what? Beautiful Olympic blue, Maude Mk2. It's rocking an M8 decal as well.
Oh
no! We have a Casualty. Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, and today me and my beautiful girlfriend Kat are taking Maude, my Maude Mk2 Escort, to another car meet with the West London Classic Ford crew. This one's being held at Rikers Cafe at Box Hill, which is legendary for awesome car meets. The weather is looking a bit grim, so I just hope that plenty of people are going to brave the weather today like we have. We're actually going to be meeting up with the West London Classic Ford crew at their rendezvous point and then convoying down to Box Hill. The South London Retro Power crew apparently are going to be going today, as well as a couple of other groups. So yeah, hoping that the weather clears up at least a little bit and hoping to check out plenty of cool old school motors today. So we're going to get ourselves to the rendezvous point, meet up with the West London Classic Ford crew, and then convoy to Rikers Cafe for the meet. Let's go. Welcome to Rikers Cafe at Box Hill, and it is dead. I was a bit worried as we pulled into this car park that there wasn't actually going to be anyone else turning up, apart from a Mark II Transit that was here as we pulled in. Then I'll see a few Cortinas pull in, and yeah, but other than them, it's just us lot. So first up, got this really cool SAF Cosy. I think we've seen on the channel before. Absolutely love these rims that it's sitting on, and check out the really tidy engine bay housing the Cosy YB lump. Loving all the red bits around it. Do love a Cosy. Next to that, my piece of junk Maude the moredoor with her piece of junk ST170 setup, which looks a bit better. Now we've got the alloy rad, which I fitted in the last video. Massive thanks again to Lee for giving me that radiator. Beautiful Mark 1 parked next to Maude that we saw at the last West London Classic Ford meet. Just check out that fuel injected Pinto lump. Really like that stainless manifold. Beautiful alloy rad, and yeah, running on Genvies. Next along, Dean's Mk2 Fiesta, aka Smoothie. Really like this crossflow setup, super clean. And then Matthew's Estate Cortina with its Cosworth V6 running on throttle bodies. He recently had the bonnet scoop made and fitted by Dean. Next to that, Jay's Capri. Loving the rims this thing's sitting on. This has actually got a fuel-injected ST170 lump in the bay, running on an ME221 ECU, which are, of course, available from our website. Seen this Mk2 Escort a few times before. Loving the Lotus steels, I think they are, that it's sitting on. Got the Sibby spotlights around the front. And in the engine bay, a Toyota 4AGE motor, running on side draft Webers. Really unusual setup to see nowadays. I think they were a bit more common back in the day. Jamie's SI Fiesta, parked next to that. This has got a 2-litre Z-Tech in it, if I remember rightly. And then next along, we've got the Cortinas that rolled in as we came in. Loving this sort of maroon coloured one. Running on a Pinto Turbo. Check that out. Awesome. Yeah, the owner had to chuck a spark plug in the Pinto Turbo lump. It was running on 3 all the way down there. Running sweet now though. And next to that, another couple of Cortinas. This one looks like it's had a new front wing. Are they Cosy rims it's sitting on? I think so. And then a really clean one parked next to that with really tasty rims. So it looks like so far, these are the only classic Fords that have turned up, apart from that really cool old school Transit. So we'll go and check that out and then go and grab a coffee, I suppose. Is this the dream recovery truck or what? Mk2 Transit with the stack, I think you call them, exhausts. Fucker. Right, well, the coffee was lovely, but not many people have turned up while we were having it. Check out this beautiful Olympic blue Moredoor Mk2, sitting on really cool mini-light rims. Loving those really small wing mirrors. I think we saw this at the New Year's Day meet that we went to at the beginning of the year. Got a really cool front spoiler on it, and one of those towing eyes that I need to look into getting for my cars. Got a couple of more modern Fiestas over here. Really like this one with all the yellow bits around it. Really cool. It's rocking an MH decal as well. All right, everyone's starting to leave. Jay's already left in his Capri, and we're just about to miss Jamie leaving in his Fiesta.
Oh no!
We have a Casualty. Matthew's Cosworth V6 has gone bang. But he's already looking at a brand new crate Cosworth V6 to replace it. Because this thing needs to be ready by the 9th of April for some fun that I've been invited to with Maude. Yeah, check out this moredoor Mk2. I think that's midnight blue. Loving the mini light rims that it's sitting on. There's a really nice 105e Anglia parked over where we was a little while ago. Looks awesome with the red paintwork, and it's sitting on gold and red steelies with the centre caps. Pretty sure I've seen this thing at Chelsea Cruise before. And just check out the beautiful red interior in it. Oh my days. And a really nice wooden steering wheel. Stunning late arrival. Everyone is doing the off now, so we're going to make a move. The AA were trying to put Matthew's Cortina on a dolly and tow it. He weren't having none of that, so now he's got to wait for a proper truck to come. Hopefully it won't be too long. Well, it was a shame there wasn't quite as many cars at the meet today as we were expecting, but it's always the way when the weather's poor. A lot of people don't bother bringing their classics out in the rain, which I can totally understand. Not all the classic cars in the world are junk like mine. But yeah, it was awesome catching back up with the West London Classic Ford crew. And yeah, plenty more meets like that coming up because the weather is now improving. In fact, today is the first day of British Summertime 2023. Now, as I mentioned, I think earlier on, there's actually something coming up on Easter Sunday, and yeah, I may as well let you guys know about it because some of you might want to attend it. It's at Aldershot Raceway where they do the banger racing. They also do drift days there, but I've never been to one of those drift days. Yeah, it's a banger racing event, and basically Matthew's been asked to get a group of classic cars together to do a parade lap before the banger races come out, and we're going to be able to do burnouts and do donuts and stuff. So yeah, I'm planning to take Maude down there on that day to burn some rubber. So I'll leave any links that I find online to that event in the description. Now, before I go, I want to send a massive thanks out to the guys I was talking to earlier on who purchased some stickers. Really appreciate your guys' support. But yeah, other than that, I'm going to end this video here. If you did think it was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe and activate the notification bell if you're new to be kept up to date with all my future uploads. For official Marcus Hayes merchandise or parts for your car, check the link in the description to my own website. Massive thanks to my patrons for your ongoing support. Feel free to follow me on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. All the links for all that will be in the description, along with my email address for anyone who wants to get in touch with me. But other than that, until next time, from me and my beautiful girlfriend Kat, thanks for watching.